Affiliate marketing is one of the various ways to make money online by promoting products to earn a commission from their sales. You may see that successful affiliate marketers earn heaps of money, though it's not always the whole story. Bear in mind that profit doesn't equal revenue, and some marketers with hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue could have 90% costs. That makes their real profit not so high. Nevertheless, there are those who have a net income higher than $200,000 monthly for real. As usual, there is no maximum limit of income, and there is a way to predict how much exactly you can earn from the traffic you have. Your total income depends on many factors, such as competence, volume, and quality of your traffic, the affiliate program you joined, the ad placement you chose, seasonality, and others. The main indicators by which you can navigate in the income question are the commission rates and the conversion rates. Commission rates depend on the affiliate program conditions, and it's what you get from one sale. Conversion rate is how many people made the purchase. On average, the affiliate conversion rate hovers around 1%. That means you will get one sale from 100 visitors. Nevertheless, such a straightforward calculation method is the reason for false expectations. To get the relative information, you can equate your traffic with the traffic and income statistics of websites which are on sale now, for example on Flippa or Website Broker. Some affiliate marketers with other traffic sources share their income on their blogs as well. Aligning expectations with earning potential is one of the best things you can do before starting the journey in affiliate marketing. You can earn as little as $1 to as much as $1,000 daily. It all depends on the time, money, and effort that you invest. To reach the highest income bracket, focus more on your value as an affiliate marketer. Don't focus on counting banknotes only. You can start from a travel niche, where the most successful affiliates earn around $250,000 per month. To earn on flights, hotels, car rentals, and other travel services, join the Travelpayouts affiliate network today.